What happens when one weather disaster ends and another begins just hours later? Across the United States, millions of people spent the Independence Day weekend battling some of the most dangerous weather of the year. Cities baked under record heat. Emergency rooms treated heat-related illnesses. Then, as the atmosphere finally shifted, powerful storms unleashed torrents of rain that transformed streets into rivers. This isn't just another summer heat wave. It's a story about how one weather system can trigger a chain reaction affecting nearly every part of the country. Every July, Americans expect hot weather. But this year, conditions became unusually dangerous. A massive atmospheric feature known as a heat dome settled across much of the eastern United States, trapping hot, humid air over major population centers for days. Temperatures reached or exceeded 100 degrees in some cities, while overnight temperatures stayed unusually warm, preventing many people from cooling down. Despite its name, a heat dome isn't something you can actually see. It's a large area of high atmospheric pressure. As air slowly sinks, it compresses and warms. The hot air becomes trapped close to the ground. Clouds struggle to form. Day after day, the ground heats even more. Cities become giant heat reservoirs. Concrete, asphalt, and buildings absorb sunlight all day, then slowly release that heat overnight. Meteorologists call this the urban heat island effect. For millions, nighttime temperatures remained near 80 degrees, offering little relief from the dangerous daytime heat. Heat is often underestimated. Unlike tornadoes, hurricanes, or earthquakes, extreme heat usually arrives without dramatic visuals, but it is one of America's deadliest weather hazards. Officials reported dozens of suspected heat-related deaths during this event, with New Jersey alone announcing numerous fatalities under investigation. Hospitals treated people suffering from dehydration, heat exhaustion, and heat stroke, while emergency officials urged residents to seek air-conditioned spaces and stay hydrated. Those most at risk include older adults, young children, outdoor workers, people with chronic medical conditions, individuals without reliable air conditioning. When overnight temperatures remain elevated, the human body has less opportunity to recover from prolonged heat exposure. Ironically, the same weather pattern that finally weakened the heat also created a new danger. As cooler air collided with the hot, moisture-rich atmosphere, thunderstorms rapidly intensified. Some storms dumped rain faster than drainage systems could handle. The result? Flash flooding. Heavy rainfall swept across portions of the Northeast, affecting transportation corridors, neighborhoods, and low-lying communities. Flash floods develop much faster than most people realize. It isn't simply about how much rain falls, it's about how quickly it falls. If several inches of rain arrive within only a few hours, storm drains can become overwhelmed. Water collects in low-lying areas. Roads disappear beneath floodwater. Officials warned residents in parts of the Northeast, including the New York City area, to prepare for dangerous flooding. Some locations faced rainfall rates of 2 to 3 inches per hour. Flood watches and emergency plans were activated as saturated ground increased the risk of rapidly rising water. Emergency managers continue to emphasize one simple message: if you encounter a flooded roadway, turn around. Don't drive through it. Scientists continue studying how climate change influences extreme weather. Research indicates that a warming atmosphere can increase the frequency and intensity of heat waves. Warmer air is capable of holding more moisture, raising the potential for heavier rainfall during storms. Individual weather events are shaped by many factors, but long-term warming trends are an important part of the broader scientific discussion. For communities, that means preparing not only for hotter summers, but also for periods of intense rainfall, flooding, wildfire risk, and greater strain on infrastructure. The story of this week isn't simply about heat, or rain, or flooding. It's about how quickly conditions can change, and how one extreme weather event can lead directly into another. Forecasts suggest that while some eastern areas may cool down, additional heavy rainfall remains possible in parts of the Northeast, and new heat is expected to build across portions of the western United States. As weather grows more complex, preparation becomes just as important as prediction. Because in the end, nature doesn't care whether it's a holiday weekend. It only follows the laws of the atmosphere.